We have several types of hatches available in Dibac Professional. In this video, we'll see how to use the area insertion. This method will automatically create a hatch within an enclosed area delimited by the walls and partitions of the drawing. For this, I have to click on the hatch icon and choose a frame type for the hatch. In this case, I'm going to select the double scratch, which will also let you choose an angle for the orientation and a spacing value to set a size for the hatch. I choose a spacing value of 0.2 for this example. To make an area insertion, I have to make sure I click on the area option. After accepting these settings, I can choose a color for the hatch and then click on the interior line of any wall to display the hatch within the whole enclosure. Now I'm going to show you how to use a different frame type. I can right-click 2 times to open the previous function, which was the hatch window. I select the solid color frame type and click on Accept. Now I can change the color again and click on the inside line of the wall to create a new hatch. This type of frame will be created on top of the drawing and will hide the lines of the walls, blocks and joineries. To fix this, we can activate the selection mode by right-clicking once, select the hatch and then go to Utilities and choose Send to Back.